Hello guys, I welcome you all on this wonderful platform that is Resultant. Today I'm here in front of you with a very important notifications about three notifications today I'm having. One is from Damodar Valley Corporation, which is taking the candidates from GATE 2023 scorecard. Then I am having the second advertisement as Rashtriya Chemical and Fertilizer Limited. That is the vacancy without gate. And guys, the third I am having is related to the NIPCO. So this NIPCO is there from GATE 2024 scorecard. So guys, we will see one by one all the three notification. First, we are going with the NIPCO because it is from the latest GATE score, GATE 2024. So when we are talking about NIPCO, it is Northeastern Electric Power Corporation Limited. They are taking the candidates from GATE 2024 scorecard. And here I would like to tell you this is a Mini Ratna company and the number of posts for electrical or mechanical E2 grade with a pay scale of 50,000, 3% to 1,60,000. And this is for general 11 seat, for SC 4 seat, for ST 1 seat, total 16 seat. The best thing about this is the age limit 30 years and 35 years, 30 for general, 35 for SC/ST, and it will be calculated as on 1st May 2024. So if your 30th birthday is coming after this date, you are eligible for the post. So if you know major PSUs are taking up to 25, 28 years, so that is the benefit of the students who have crossed that age. Guys, now we are talking about there are some posts, 6 and 2 number of posts for finance and HR as well. So guys, first of all, what they are asking for you, you should have a 65% marks in BTech. If you are general EWS OBC candidate, 55 for SC/ST. And guys, then you should have a GATE 2024 scorecard with qualification. You should qualify that. That is the meaning of valid GATE score. Then guys, similarly for finance and HR, they are asking. Now, my dear, compensation package, I already told you, this is E2 grade, 50,000 plus whatever government benefits about DA is there, HRA is there, cafeteria and all these allowances will be as per the government norms. And now, my dear, we are coming to the placement. They have mentioned that there will be a 1 year training period, and after that you can be sent anywhere wherever NIPCO plants will be situated. So guys, then they are talking about relaxation and concessions. The upper age limit for SC/ST is, for 5 years, there is a relaxation. For J&K candidates also relaxation is there. That is same as per the rule of government, which every time is there. Service agreement bond is there. Minimum 5 years you have to serve NIPCO. If you are leaving before 5 years, then for general EWS and OBC candidates, they have to pay 2,50,000 rupees as a board money. And if you are from SC/ST, you have to pay 1,25,000 rupees. The process of selection is, first you will be applying there online, and based on the GATE score, they will be making a merit list, and after that they will be calling for interviews. 80% weightage will be given to GATE score, 20% weightage will be given to the interview, and based on that the final selection will be happening. Okay, and guys, they are saying that you have to have put the valid mobile number and email ID, because all the conversation can happen smoothly, communication can happen smoothly. Okay, so the same it written whatever I told you, that GATE 2024 for electrical or mechanical. Your paper code for mechanical should be ME, for electrical should be EE. Okay, and general interview will consist of general knowledge, aptitude for the job, extracurricular activities, and professional specific knowledge. So they have mentioned it. So you can apply, okay, with the GATE 24 scorecard. And guys, all other things are going to be same. Fee payment is non-refundable. For general candidate, OBC and EWS, 560 rupees you have to pay. And this is non-refundable. For SC/ST and female candidate, need not to pay anything. Okay. And guys, then you can see for other things, they have put in the steps to apply and the documents required. They are same like in every PSU, caste certificate, matriculation certificate, mark sheets of BTech. Okay, all those things are there. So guys, now signature is there, photograph is there. Okay, and 18 years is the minimum age to apply for this post. Okay, all other things are going to be the same, like EWS certificate you have to give if you are applying for that category. So guys, all these things are there. Okay, so I will be sharing you this PDF. Before applying, you can also read through the document. And guys, the last date will be 28th of June, and recruitment, this Application started from 8th of June. Okay. And this is the email ID. If you have any doubt, you can ask them on this email ID, recruitment@nipco.co.in. So guys, now we will see the second notification, that is from related to the Damodar Valley Corporation. This is from GATE 2023, but here number of posts are quite high. Okay. So if you see this is Damodar Valley Corporation. And when we are talking about the post, this is the notice for recruitment of engineering graduate executive trainee here also. Okay. And it is through GATE 2023 score. So this notification is important only for those who qualified GATE 2023. Okay. Now, my dear, let us see here what are the number of posts they are giving us. So they are giving the number of posts for mechanical highest 59, general category 23, OBC 16, SC 11, 3 ST and 6 EWS. Then for electrical 58, 22 for general, 15 for OBC, 8 for SC, 5 for ST, 8 for EWS. Civil 39 for total, 15 for general, 10 for OBC, 5 for SC, 3 for ST, 6 for EWS. Then C&I, similarly for IT, similarly for chemical, you can see. Okay guys, now they are saying the projected vacancy indicated above may increase or decrease depending upon the future requirement. Age relaxation will be there as per the government norms. And here I feel for general candidates, they will be asking for 29 years of age. 7th pay commission, this will be the pay scale 56,100 to 177,500. This is level 10, 7th CPC M2 grade. Okay. Age limit 29 years as on closing date of online application for unreserved candidates. For SC, ST, OBC, as per the government norms, they will be getting the relaxation in age. Okay. Then valid marks in GATE 2023. Your GATE 2023 scorecard should be there with a valid GATE score, means you must have qualified GATE. Okay. Then guys, they are saying GATE marks for 22 or prior to that are not valid. So guys, GATE 23 scorecard will be valid, 22 will not be valid. Sometimes any student feel ki GATE scorecard is valid for 3 years, so they think ki they can apply from any. No, not for PSU. For MTech it is valid for 3 years, and some PSU, if they allow, they can take you. Okay. Now what is the requirement for executive trainee? Mechanical, the branches which you can have your BTech into: mechanical, production, industrial, thermal, mechanical and automation, power engineering. If you have done BTech in this, you are eligible for mechanical post. But GATE paper should be given in mechanical. That's why I always say, if your BTech is in production, then also you have to appear for mechanical paper. Then my dear, for electrical, similarly, you can see these are the branches who can apply if they have given the paper of electrical. Similarly, for civil, they should have civil paper, civil branch only. Okay. Likewise, my dear, you can see for IT and for other chemical and as well. So dear, now we are talking about the BTech percentage requirement. So they have said that full-time BTech in engineering technology, in mechanical or production or industrial or thermal, mechanical, automation or power from AICTE approved institute, 65% for general, OBC, EWS and 60% for SC, ST. Okay. Then guys, executive trainee electrical, similarly for civil, full-time bachelor's degree in engineering and technology in civil engineering from AICTE appropriate statutory, 65% for these and 60% for SC, ST. Okay. Similarly for C&I, similarly for IT, similarly for chemical. Now my dear, we are coming to relaxation and concession as per the government norms, nothing different. So like reservation and relaxation concession, candidate belonging to OBC, SC, ST will be there. Okay. And also they have said that for PWBD candidates also they have given the rules, that is also as per the government norms. Guys, relaxation of age limit for OBC 3 years, for SC, ST 5 years. For PWBD candidates, it will be 10 years for general. Okay. For OBC 13 years, for SC, ST 15 years. Clear guys? For J&K during the period of 1980 to 1989, then also you are going to have 5 years relaxation. So guys, now other things are, they are talking about reservation, relaxation, concession for SC, ST will be subjected to submission of relevant caste certificate. Okay. So same for OBC as well. Okay. Same for J&K and domiciles as well. Then we are moving to the selection process only through GATE 2023 score. Eligible candidates have to appear GATE 2023 and candidates correspond that we have already discussed. Okay guys, now we are talking about the application fees. So application fees for general OBC EWS, for general OBC EWS will be rupees 300 rupees. Okay, and that is going to be bank charges as per whatever they will be, you have to pay that, and that is also non-refundable. And for SC ST categories, dear, they need not to pay anything. And then my dear, they are saying that the last date for the payment of application is 7th July 2024. And guys, they are saying that candidates must ensure that payment of 300 is made at one go. Okay, it should not be in 100 3 times or 152 times. It should be in one go only. Okay, and then compensation. Dear, the selected candidates will be getting a pay scale of 56,100 to 177,500. This is M2 grade as per the 7th pay commission, and all other benefits like HRA, DA will be there as per the norms. Service agreement. Dear, here they are asking a service agreement of 3 years. Okay, overall 4 years, 1 year of training, 3 years of extra. So total 4 years, 1 year training and 3 years extra. Then guys, if you are going to leave before 4 years, you have to pay 5 lakh rupees if you are from general OBC EWS. You have to pay 2,50,000 rupees if you are from SC ST or PWBD candidates. Health, before joining the candidate, you have to go through the medical test. Okay, and then the general information, document verification, they are same as per in all the applications. Okay, if you are filling any form, these things are not going to change. Okay, the documents required. Okay, degree of disability for PWBD candidates, all other things are going to be same. Then the photograph size, so you can see this. Even if I tell you, you have to see at the time of applying. So that is why it is wastage of time if I read these lines. When you will apply, then you have to see this. Now the last commencement of online application starting from 7th June till 7th of July. Okay, so you have to apply, and 7th July will be the date for your age calculations. Your age will be calculated as per this. So if your 29th birthday is coming after this age, you are eligible. So guys, now we are moving to the last notification, that is related to Rashtriya Chemical and Fertilizer Limited, RCFL. These vacancies are not from GATE, they are without GATE, and they are the vacancies which are going to be there from like their own examination. So let us see what is RCFL first of all. So RCFL is going to be a company which is going to be, first of all, the number of vacancies, let us see. So guys, first of all, I would like to tell you for RCFL, the posts are not for the executive trainee, they are from management trainee. Okay, because previous two were from executive trainee. Here you can see the post is of management trainee. So when we are talking about this company, this is a Navratna company. Okay, in August 2023, it got the certificate of Navratna. Now, my dear, when we are talking about the management trainee, the number of vacancies are 51 for chemical. Okay, and what they are asking for 4-year BE BTech, like everything is, everybody is asking. Qualification will be seen on 1 June 2024. Okay, so 21 for general, 7 for SC, 4 for ST, 14 for OBC, and 5 for EWN. Now, my dear, let us see the second post. Mechanical. So when we are talking about management trainee mechanical, total posts are 30. Out of 30, 13 are for general, 4 for SC, 2 for ST, 8 for OBC, 3 for EWS. And guys, qualification, the same 4-year regular BTech or BE is required. A graduate in mechanical discipline should be there. Regular and full-time dual integrated allied degrees are also eligible. However, mechanical must be mentioned in the degree. Okay, or 3 years regular and full BE BTech, graduate in mechanical discipline from UGC or AICTE approved institutions after 3 years of diploma. So diploma candidates are also eligible. Okay, minimum percentage required is 60% for BTech and 55% for SC ST categories. Then guys, the age limit for like for general and EWS 27 years, for SC ST category 32 years, for OBC 30 years. Okay, and for PWD candidates this is 42 years for SC ST. Okay, so likewise you can see guys, the age limit will be checked on which date, 1st June 2024. So if your 27th birthday is coming after this, you are eligible. Okay, then their post for electrical 27, 11 general, 4 SC, 3 ST, 7 OBC and 2 EWS. Similar requirements are there. Then you can see in instrumentation also 18 vacancies, 7 general, 3 SC, 1 ST, 5 NCL, OBC, 2 EWS. Then we have civil. For civil, there are 4 posts, 1 for general, 1 for SC, 1 for ST, 1 for OBC. There is no for EWS. Okay. So guys, likewise, there are for fire, there are for CC lab. Okay. So you can see all other vacancies are there. For industrial engineering is there. So for industrial engineering is also there. You can see total 3 posts, 1 general, 1 SC, 1 OBC. Okay. Why final 4-year BTech is required from AICT institutes. Okay. So guys, this is going to be the same. So this is a very big notification with these details. So I will be sharing this on my Telegram channel. You can watch there. And for other posts for marketing are also there. Okay. So these posts are there not from the GATE exam. They will be taking their own exam. For HR is also there. So I am going for only BTech because our channel is related to GATE, mechanical, civil and all. Similarly for administration is also there. Okay guys, so now we are moving to some other things. This is related to the identified disabilities for PWBD candidates. Then guys, we are moving to the next thing, that is reservation. So as you know, reservation will be as per the government norms for SC, ST, OBC, EWS candidates. That's how the seats are calculated and given to us. Okay. Then guys, we are going to have other things, that is related to the eligibility criteria. So dear, when we are talking about the eligibility criteria, that you have seen that the cutoff date for determining eligibility criteria is 1 June 2024, that we already have discussed. Now let us see the application fees. So when we are talking about application fees, it is going to be 1,000 rupees non-refundable and bank charges extra, GST extra. So guys, this you have to pay for general, OBC and EWS candidates. Okay, and for other candidates, like if you are talking about application fee once paid will not be refunded, candidates therefore advised to verify their eligibility before payment of application. Okay, these categories SC, ST, PWBD, XSM or female category need not to pay any fee. Now nature of the job for management trainee, they are telling the company has 2 units operation at Thal, Alibag or Trombay, Mumbai, and a nationwide marketing network. The posting of the selected candidate may be at any of the units area. Okay, so you have to go wherever they will send you. Salary and other benefits. Selected candidate for the post of management trainee will be undergoing training for 1 year, and you will be getting rupees 30,000 stipend per month. Free lodging facility will be provided at company hostel. If posted at Trombay or Thal, the hostel accommodation quarter on sharing basis will be there free of cost. And if you are talking about the medical facility for self will be provided by RCF hospitals. Available sport complex facility will also be there. Management trainee posted other than Trombay or Thal shall be entitled for a fixed allowance of 2,500 per month towards boarding, lodging and local traveling expenses. Okay, so they will also be entitled for TADA based on their where you have to go, as per the TADA policy of the company. After successful training of 1 year, you will be absorbed in E1 grade, where basic pay plus VDA plus perks plus HRA. Okay, your pay scale will be 40,000 plus 1,40,000, and you would be getting 81,000 approximately. First 1 year 30,000, then 81,000. Okay, board amount of 1 lakh shall be deposited by the management trainee at the time of joining in the form of fixed deposit with the line marked to the RCFL for the period of 4 years. If you leave before 4 years, they are taking 1 lakh rupees FD from your side. So they will be not giving you back if you leave before 4 years. Selection process, this will be by online test and personal interview. Online test, you have to appear for CBT, objective type test, information for which will be provided in the admit card. For the position of management trainee, the online test will be conducted at the centers of Bhopal, Delhi, NCR, Lucknow, Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Chennai, Guwahati, Kolkata, Mumbai, Navi Mumbai and other regions of Nagpur. Medium of test will be Raj Bhasha, Hindi or English, and you can have no request of change of examination center once finalized. Okay. The outstation candidates belonging to SC, ST, PWBD will call for the interview will be reimbursed for rail or bus fare. Okay. And for management training for nearest railway station only they will be paying. And this will be online, test will be online. Okay. Candidate will appear for examination center at candidate's own risk. Okay. RCF reserves the right to allot the candidate to any center. Okay, because if the sufficient number of candidates will not be there for one center, they may change that to other center nearby also. Okay, guys. So this is about now the online test will have two parts. Discipline related and aptitude related. Duration of test will be 90 minutes. The total number of questions are 100. 50 will be from mix of the course curriculum or qualifying degree and relevant discipline of 2 marks each, and 50 questions will be from English aptitude, reasoning and general knowledge or awareness of 1 mark each. So total 2 marks of 50 question technical, 1 mark of 50 questions non-technical. So total 150 marks. Okay. There will be negative marking for wrong answer. The level of domain subject will be as applicable to each post. They have said the 90 minutes. So in 90 minutes, you have to do 100 question of 150 marks. Okay. So guys, now the exact date of the test will be there on the website soon. Okay. Then guys, all those things are written which are the documentations required for you. Okay. So dear, next is about the personal interview. For every one post, 7 candidates will be called for the interview. Okay. And interview call letters will be there for the eligible candidates, and that will be given via mobile number or via email ID. So give active mobile number and email ID. And also they are saying guys ki whenever they are talking about this will be based on your performance in written exam. The eligible candidate will be called for personal interview, and call letters will be provided, will be uploaded on the website. Okay. And then they are saying for appearing for PI, all outstation candidate will be reimbursed. Okay. Tier 3 AC train or bus fare. Then guys, it may be noted that candidate will call for the personal interview provisionally on the basis of information submitted by them. If anything was false, you will be at that time you will be rejected. Final selection. Online test will have 80% weightage. Personal interview will be having 20% weightage. Total 100% is there. Okay. This is round off to 2 decimal. Now guys, they are saying once again nil mark. Okay. They are saying candidates with nil mark or negative mark in the online test will be ineligible for personal interview. Candidate required to qualify again in the personal interview separately with minimum average of 50%. So what they are saying is, like you can see, online test is having 80% weightage and personal interview is having 20% weightage. But based on the result of online test, separate discipline wise merit list will be there based on the 1:7. And candidates with nil or negative marking in the online test will be ineligible for the interview. Candidate required to qualify again the personal interview separately with minimum average of 50% in the interview. So 50% weightage is required. If total marks of 2 or more candidates after personal interview are same, percentage of marks in the qualifying examination would be considered for drawing the merit list. In case percentage of marks up to 2 decimal are also equal in the qualifying exam, then the date of birth will be considered for the final selection. Medical exam will be there after that. Okay, medical exam means your medical full body checkup. And guys, then they are talking about how to apply. So for that, when you will be applying, these are the guidelines for photographs, and other details are also mentioned, like how to do the signature, application fees, how to pay it. Okay, all these things are mentioned here. Online you have to apply. Payment of fees will be non-refundable. So first see all the guidelines, see your eligibility criteria, then only apply. All other details are you can see whenever you will apply. This is a very big notification. Okay. So guys, at the last, the important dates. Notification started on 8th June. You can apply till 1st of July. Okay. So these are the number of days available for you. And these are the requirements of certificates you have to provide. Okay. For different categories. So guys, this is the notification. So we have seen 3 notifications together. Maybe all 3 you are not eligible of. So you can see whatever is useful for you. So guys, just download the resultant mechanical app, resultant civil app. Soon you will be getting the test series of the PSUs like HPCL, courses related to that as well. Okay. And also guys, for GATE and ESC, you can see the batches are going on. So just download the app. Also there are a lot of free materials available for you. You can also get benefit of that as well. Okay. So goodbye for this particular video. We will meet again guys. Okay. So stay tuned with us.